But because this bike makes its power consistently throughout the whole rev range, you can see it just continues to climb.
And it's linear.
H2 has to build its power, and this thing just walks.
And H2, the supercharger probably kicks in rough and hard. And
Yeah.
Well, Jeremy's got it smoothed out.
Woody,
Actually, be good for me and you. When you come to Cleveland to jump on the boost in the H2 and do some smackdown.
Oh, yeah.
Eve, how is it with heat? Like, does it heat up?
Not at all. You can ride this thing all day. Let me show you. Come over here.
Okay.
And it'll never, ever.
Uh-huh.
So you don't have any heat.
So you don't have the heat soaking.
That's as high as it'll go. There's no heat soak. This is a built engine.
Right.
It's not boosted, so there's no supercharger or turbo to overheat.
Right.
That's why we like these things.
Right.
Nothing. Stock, man.
But they come with 2 fans, don't they? Yeah. Okay.
It never gets higher than that.
All right. That tire is hot.
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna through my jeans just now.
I'm gonna do the Aprilia demo ride, and then I'm gonna probably throw Zeus on there.
Which Aprilia you riding?
The 1100.
The revolution will be live.
Well, look at this. I saw the rider pulling in earlier. Some good stuff. You rarely see these H2s out in the wild. Man, some beautiful stuff right here. The flakes. That metallic black. Signature to Kawasaki. Good stuff, folks. Man, that was hot. Oh, that's what. Yeah. Oh, let's scratch that sucker up. You can ride. What's that?
Does the clip ever fall off?
I've done it on a couple of bikes. It was kind of fine. You know, I'm not going too fast with it, so I'm just doing a test ride for What You Ride on my YouTube. For my buddy over here.
Is it yours?
No, my 14.
What's the YouTube?
Alex Lexus ZX Ninja, or Instagram is ZXP on Instagram. No, it's all love. You know, I do what I do because of him. You know, so. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it, brother. Wow, almost lost the camera. Woo. Good stuff. Man, I almost lost my camera. Yeah, that's why I had to slow down over here. I was like, ah. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. I'm gonna have to edit that out, but it's all good. All right, make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, folks. Fun ride. Continuation, folks. What is that smell? I smell.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Dig it.
That's awesome. Yes, sir. All right. All right, folks, we come to the end of this thing, baby. Yo, Proud of this man. He did real good. Corey, that's what's up, man. All right. Oh man, that's awesome. That is great. Let's go, Corey! Yeah! Yeah, man! Right. But yay, you know what? He was blessed. So we're wrapping up here. 650 did his thing. Shout out to Moto Mike. Shout out to Motorcycle Mo. Today was a day, brother. It turned out real good, you know. All right, so make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll have some miscellaneous videos here and there. I was gonna throw my bike on the dyno, but I'm a little tired. Yeah, they're gonna do something at like 4 o'clock. But yeah, after that, you know, it's what it is. I don't I'll leave alone. So, but with that, got some stuff. Brother, I might be taking off in a little bit, but hey, any parting words, man?
Appreciate everybody coming out. Like a fanatic also help with this thing.
Yes, we're gonna be in touch, brother.
It was dope having everybody out here. This is not even half the crowd that was out here earlier.
Right.
Everybody that's came out, show support.
Yeah.
And, we'll do it again next year, man.
Yeah, hell yeah, hey.
Next year.
Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. He's a good man, known him for years. Make sure you support him. Check out his channel. He's growing, doing his thing. With that said, we are outie. We'll catch you on the next one. See, that backfire was crazy, wasn't it? Oh my.
82 horsepower is really impressive too.
All right, hey, we know you're next, right? All right, nice.
Feel it in your chest.
Very impressive. That sounds amazing. Freaking, oh man, that pop.
It's like, especially the upshift.
Right. Okay. Awesome with that auto blipper.
Oh, there you are. Yeah, put your damn arm on the stand. Yeah, look how your wheel is all the way smashed up in there.
Wow, where'd you at?
And it still has a long base. It still has a long base on the stock. Stock wheels are still long as hell on this bike.
Yeah. Gil, this is for you, brother.
And then also, all right, there you go. The power that those things make, it's not going to be.
Yeah, keep the weight down. So.
Then you got to lower it too. Yeah. Great power though, man. Great power. 182 is phenomenal power. Watch out,
All right, fantastic. You know what?
$99.
Hey, let's do it, brother. Oh, good to see you, brother. Hey. But you know, Eve's bike's about to go up, so I'm just like, But I'm no slouch either, you know. I had my stuff set up, you know. You just got here, brother?
No, I've been here.
Oh, cool. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Yeah, I'll probably join y'all tomorrow. We'll see.
Yeah.
Where y'all meeting up at? All right, cool.